What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'm going to show you the most important tips and tricks for your Motorola One Fusion Plus. By the way, I have already made a video on the best features, where I'll be showing you all the features offered by this phone, which I won't be showing in this video. So do check that out, link will be in the description. So first let's start with navigation gestures. We have the regular 3-button navigation, and we also have these gestures. Once you enable gestures, you can swipe up to go home, swipe and hold for recent apps, swipe from left side or right side to go back. You can also swipe on the bottom of the screen to switch between apps. Gesture navigation is pretty handy. Do give it a try. Next we have split screen. In this mode you can use 2 apps at the same time. To enable this, just go to recent apps page and tap on the app icon and then select split screen. Now it will open the current app in split screen mode. Now you can select second app from the list below, or you can go to home screen or app drawer to select the secondary app. Now all the apps don't support split screen, so to enable it for all apps, this is what you have to do. Go to settings, go to about phone section and tap on the build number few times. Now developer options are enabled. Go back to settings page, go to system and select advanced. Select developer options. Now scroll down and enable force activities to be resizable. Now once you restart your phone, all apps will open in split screen mode. Next, we can change default apps. From here you can change the default applications like the phone dialer, SMS app, browser, etc. and set it to the app of your choice. Next, we can display battery percentage on the status bar. Now you can select this option to display battery percentage near the battery icon. Next we have dark theme. Once you enable this, it turns all the UI elements into dark theme. Even some stock applications turn dark and few of the third-party apps also turn dark. It is helpful especially at night as it is easier on the eyes. Next we have Moto App. In Moto App you have lot of options. You can personalize and create a new theme, you can change wallpapers and also change the layout. Next there are Moto Actions. From here you can enable quick capture, fast flashlight, 3-finger screenshot and a lot more. Check these out for more features. Next there are tips about new features. You can see this section to learn more about new features and get tips on how to use your device better. Next there is Moto Display. In this there are display related options like peak display. Next there is Moto Game Time. This is a feature to enhance your gaming experience. It has more settings and it has Toolkit, which is where we can access more options in-game. Just open a game and swipe from the edge to access the toolkit. From here you can open an app in a pop-up window. You can also take a screenshot, block calls and notifications, etc. So these are all the options available in the Moto app. So that's been the tips and tricks for your phone. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.